Don't seem like Christmas if the mummers are not here. Granny would say as she'd knit in her chair. Things have gone modern, I suppose that's the cause. Christmas is not like it was.
Hey, Mama, down here!
Mark, what's the noise out by the porch door? Granny, 'tis mummers, there's 20 or more. Her old withered face brightens up with a grin. Any mummers, nice mummers, loud in. Come in, lovely mummers, don't bother the snow. We can wipe up the water, sure, after you go. Sit if you can, or on some mummer's knee. Let's see if we know who you be. There's big ones and small ones and tall ones and thin. Boys dressed as women and girls dressed as men. Pumps on their backs and mitts on their feet. My blessed, we'll die with the heat. There's only one there that I think that I know. That tall fella standing o'er alongside the stove. He's shaking his fist for to make me not tell. Must be Willie from out on the hill. Now that one's a stranger, if there ever was one, with his underwear stuffed and his trapdoor undone. Is he wearing his mother's big 42 bra? I knows, but I'm not going to say. Don't suppose you find mummers would turn down a drop. No homebrew or elky, whatever you got. Not the one with his rubber boots on the wrong feet. He's enough for to do him all week. Suppose you can dance, yes, they all nod their heads. They've been tapping their feet ever since they came in. Now that the drinks have been all passed around, the mummers are planking her down. Be careful the lamp and hold on to the stove. Don't swing Granny hard, cause you know that she's old. No need for to care how you buckles the floor, cause the mummers have danced here before. My God, how hot is it? We'd better go. I allow we'll all get the devil's own cold. Good night and good Christmas, mummers, me dears. Please God, we will see you next year. Good night and good Christmas, mummers, me dears. Please God, we will see you next year.
Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly shining. Is the night of our dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world in sin and error pining, till he appeared and the soul felt its worth. A thrill of hope, the weary world rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn. Fall on your knees, oh, hear the angel voices, oh, night divine, oh, night when Christ was born, oh, night divine, oh, night divine, led by the light of faith serenely beaming, with glowing hearts by his cradle we stand. So led by light of a star so sweetly gleaming, here come the wise men from Orient land. The King of Kings lay low in lowly manger, in all our trials, 'born to be our friend. Fall His law is love, and His gospel is peace. Chains shall He break, for the slave is our brother, and in His name all oppression shall cease. Sweet hymns of joy in grateful chorus raise, we let all within us praise His holy name. Fall on your knees, oh, hear the angel voices, oh, night, oh, night, when Christ was born, oh, night.
Have a holly jolly Christmas, it's the best time of the year. Now I don't know if there'll be snow, but have a cup of cheer. Have a holly jolly Christmas, and when you walk down the street, say hello to friends you know and everyone you meet. Oh, the mistletoe is hung where you can see. Somebody waits for you, kiss her once for me. Have a holly jolly Christmas, and in case you didn't hear, oh, by golly, have a holly jolly Christmas this year. Mistletoe is hung where you can see. Somebody waits for you, kiss her once for me. Have a holly jolly Christmas, and in case you didn't hear, oh, by golly, have a holly jolly Christmas this year.
We'll have a good old Newfie Christmas, alright. And we won't go home until we're all half-tied. Well, there'll be moonshine and homebrew, Newfie Screech and Black Horse too. A good old Newfie Christmas, alright. Well, John will start with the lead guitar and Wolfie on the drums. Keith will join in with the bass and I'll just drum along. Donnie will play the squeeze box, the fiddle and mandolin. We'll drink and play till the break of day and then we'll start again. We'll have a good old Newfie Christmas, alright. Well, we won't go home until we're all half-tied. There'll be moonshine and homebrew, Newfie Screech and Black Horse too. A good old Newfie Christmas, alright. Alright, Donnie. Oh yeah now. And here's Johnny. Well, a pot of soup up on the stove and a turkey on the table. We'll drink and eat and dance and sing until we are unable. When everyone has had his fill, we'll walk out through the door And when the next day rolls around, we'll swear we'll drink no more. We'll have a good old Newfie Christmas, alright. Well, we won't be home until we're all half-tight. There'll be moonshine and homebrew, Newfie Screech and Black Horse too. A good old Newfie Christmas, alright. We'll have a good old Newfie Christmas, alright. And we won't go home until we're all half-tight. There'll be moonshine and homebrew, Newfie Screech and Black Horse too. A good old Newfie Christmas, alright. Yes, a good old Newfie Christmas, alright.
Train whistle blowing makes a sleepy noise. Underneath their blankets go all the girls and boys. Rockin', rollin', riding out along the bay, all bound for Morningtown, many miles away. Driver at the engine, fireman rings the bell, Sandman swings his lantern to show that all is well. Rockin', rollin', riding out along the bay, all bound for Morningtown, many miles away. Maybe it is raining where our train will ride. All the little travelers are warm and snug inside. Rockin', rollin', riding out along the bay, all bound for Morningtown, many miles away. Somewhere there is sunshine, somewhere there is day, somewhere there is Morningtown, many miles away. Rockin', rollin', riding out along the bay, all bound for Morningtown, many miles away. All bound for Morningtown, many miles away. Rockin', rollin', riding, 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 rollin', riding.
In fancy my mind wanders back to my youth, at just about this time each year, when the snow softly falls and the merry bells ring to welcome the Christmas time cheer. In a quaint little town by the side of the sea, what happiness Christmas would bring, where friends rare as diamonds contented would be to dance and to laugh and to sing. It was come into my house, though humble and small. Let's drink a toast to us here. To the 12 days of Christmas, we'll drink to them all, with a wish for a happy new year. Come sit in the parlor now, cozy and bright, with the warmth from the old-fashioned stove and its flickering flames and the kerosene light give the warm Christmas feelings of love. Now each year at Christmas I think of it still, no matter wherever I be. In fancy my mind wanders back to my youth, that snug little spot by the sea. It was come into my house, though humble and small. Let's drink a toast to us here. To the 12 days of Christmas we'll drink to them all, and a wish for a happy new year. It was come into my house, though humble and small, and let's drink a toast to us here. To the 12 days of Christmas we'll drink to them all, with a wish for a happy new year. To the 12 days of Christmas we'll drink to them all, and a wish for a happy new year.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Take a look at the 5 and 10, it's glistening once again with candy canes and silver lanes that glow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas, toys in every store. But the prettiest sight to see is the holly that will be on your own front door. A pair of hop-along boots and a pistol that shoots is the wish of Barney and Ben. Dolls that'll talk and will go for a walk is the hope of Janice and Jen. And Mom and Dad can hardly wait for school to start again. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. There's a tree in the Grand Hotel, one in the park as well. It's the sturdy kind that doesn't mind the snow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Soon the bells will start, and the thing that'll make them ring is the carol that you sing right within your heart. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas, toys in every store. But the prettiest sight to see is the holly that will be on your own front door. Sure, it's Christmas once more.
What child is this who laid to rest on Mary's lap is sleeping? Who made welcome sweet, while shepherds watch are keeping. This is Christ the King, whom shepherds guard and angels sing. Haste, haste to bring him, Lord, the babe, the Son of Mary. So bring him incense, gold, and myrrh, come peasant king to hold him. The King of kings salvation brings, let loving hearts enthrone him. Raise, raise a song on high, the Virgin sings her lullaby. Joy, joy, for Christ is born, the babe, the Son of Mary. Raise, raise a song on high, the Virgin sings a lullaby. Joy, joy, for Christ is born, the babe, the Son of Mary, the babe, the Son of Mary. God rest ye merry gentlemen, let nothing you dismay. Remember Christ our Savior was born on Christmas Day, to save us all from Satan's power when we were gone astray. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy, oh, tidings of comfort and joy. In Bethlehem and Jewry, this blessed babe was born, and laid within a manger upon this blessed morn. The which his mother Mary did nothing take in scorn. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy, oh, tidings of comfort and joy. From God our heavenly Father a blessed angel came, and unto certain shepherds brought tidings of the same, how that of Bethlehem was born Son of God by name. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy, oh, tidings of comfort and joy. The shepherds at those tidings rejoiced much in their mind, and left their flocks of feeding in tempest, storm, and wind, and went to Bethlehem straightway this blessed babe to find. Good tidings of comfort and joy, oh, tidings of comfort and joy. To Bethlehem they came, where at this infant lay. They found him in a manger, where oxen feed on hay. His mother Mary kneeling unto the Lord did pray. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy, oh, tidings of comfort and joy. Now to the Lord sing praises, all all you within this place, and with true love and brotherhood, each other now embrace. This holy kind of Christmas, all others doubt the face. Good tidings of comfort and joy. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy. God rest ye merry gentlemen, let nothing you dismay. Remember Christ our Savior was born on Christmas Day, to save us all from Satan's power when we were gone astray. Good tidings of comfort and joy. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy.
Frosty the snowman was a jolly, happy soul, with a corncob pipe and a button nose and two eyes made out of coal. Frosty the snowman is a fairy tale, they say. He was made of snow, but the children know how it came to life one day. There must have been some magic in that old top hat they found, for when they placed it on his head, he began to dance around. Old Frosty the snowman was alive as he could be, and the children say he could laugh and play just the same as you and me.
Was a jolly happy soul, with a corncob pipe and a button nose and two eyes made out of coal. Frosty the snowman, a fairy tale they say, was made of snow, but he came to life one day.
There must have been some magic in that old top hat they found,
some magic in that.
For when they placed it on his head, he began to dance around. Frosty the snowman, the sun was hot that day, so he said, let's run and we'll have some fun now before I melt away.
Frosty the snowman had to hurry on his way,
but he waved goodbye saying, don't you cry, I'll be back again someday.
Hello, Mom and Dad. We're coming home for Christmas. It's been a long, long time, and we know that you have missed us. Likewise, I'm sure we couldn't miss you more. A newborn child is with us. So hello, Mom and Dad. We're coming home for Christmas. excursion fairs always disappear just when you need them most. I guess everybody's going home from the west down to the east coast. It's a 5-day drive, I'm drinking 5 Alive and black coffee from a thermos. So hello, Mom and Dad, we're coming home for Christmas. Hello, Mom and Dad, we're coming home for Christmas. It's been a long, long time, and we know that you have missed us. Likewise, I'm sure we couldn't miss you more. A newborn child is with us. So hello, Mom and Dad, we're coming home for Christmas. I guess all the boys and the girls too are coming home with their kids. Turkey dinner while we reminisce all the crazy things we did. I sometimes wonder how you and Dad tolerated all our badness. So hello, Mom and Dad, we're coming home for Christmas. Hello, Mom and Dad, we're coming home for Christmas. It's been a long, long time, and we know that you have missed us. Likewise, I'm sure we couldn't miss you more. A newborn child is with us. So hello, Mom and Dad, we're coming home for Christmas. Hello, Mom and Dad, we're coming home for Christmas.
We three kings of Orient are, bearing gifts we traverse afar, field and fountain, moor and mountain, following yonder star. Oh, star of wonder, star of night, star with royal beauty bright, westward leading, still proceeding, guide us to thy perfect light. Born a king on Bethlehem's plain, gold I bring to crown him again, King forever, ceasing never, over us all to reign. Oh, star of wonder, star of night, star of royal and beauty bright, westward leading, still proceeding, traverse afar, feeling fountain moor and mountain, following yonder star. Oh, star of wonder, star of night, star with royal beauty bright, westward leading, still proceeding, guide us to thy perfect light. We three kings of Orient are.
Dear boy was the way that the mother began her letter and wrote on with trembling hand to say that the trees now are covered with snow and Christmas is not far away. Her thoughts were much more than the words on the lines of happiness shared many past Christmas times. Are you coming for Christmas? I'm anxious to know. That's all that she wrote for to say. I've only one wish for Christmas, only one gift that I want to receive. Only one wish for Christmas, just to be here to spend it with me. Her words brought the loveliest pictures to mind of laughter and love never fading with time. But a promise he'd made to his mother he'd keep, to spend every Christmas at home. He saw how her hand on the letter he read was not now as strong as it was Christmas past. But he'd make the smile on her face brighter yet. These words he wrote back in reply: I've only one wish for Christmas, only this gift that I want you to have. Only one wish for Christmas, that I'll be home to spend it with you. I've only one wish for Christmas, just one gift to give like you wanted me to. Only one wish for Christmas, that I'll be home to spend it with you. Only one wish for Christmas, that I'll be home to spend it with you.